Hi, super teachers. Welcome to our fun learning adventure. We'll show you exactly how to lead your class on a fun trip through the Common Nouns worksheet. This worksheet is for kindergarten and nursery 2 levels. Introduce the 4 pillars of nouns: person, place, animal, and thing. Use the prompt questions on this page. For example, can you say the name of an animal to encourage oral participation? Validate every answer by placing it into a category. Connect phonics CVC words with grammar. Have students jot down 3-letter words starting with the letters provided. Guide them toward common nouns they already know, like cat, dog, man, sun, and pot. This builds confidence in both spelling and noun identification. Develop classification skills. Students must look at the word bank and write them in the correct column. If a student is confused, ask, "Is a bed alive? No? Then it must be a thing." Use visual coding to reinforce memory. Follow the color key: green for people, yellow for animals, blue for places, and red for things. This is a great activity that allows you to walk around and see which students are correctly identifying the categories at a glance. Establish the most important rule for common nouns: they stay small. Students must rewrite sentences to correct improper capitalization. Explain that common nouns are everyday friends, so they don't need a capital letter unless they start a sentence. Prepare students for the difference between a thing and a name. Compare Jimmy, a person, and car, a thing. Use the Sam versus pot exercise to show that we only trace the tall letter for the person. This is the perfect bridge to future lessons on capitalization. Teach the concept of one. Define singular nouns as representing just one person, place, or thing. Use the one boy and one hat examples. Ask students to find one thing on their desk to reinforce that singular means solo or alone. Introduce the idea of more than one. Explain that when we have a group, we often add a special S at the end of the word. Compare one hat to 2 hats. Develop classification skills. Students must look at the word bank and write them in the correct column. Combine math and grammar. This page asks students to count objects and write the correct noun form. Remind them that if they count higher than 1, they must add S at the end of the word. Use the student progress report to assess your students to know how well they know common nouns. Begin with CVC words like man, cat, den, and bed. Keeping words short helps the child focus on the noun category rather than difficult spelling. Focus on the common nouns. A child should know that a boy is a person and a den is a place before you ever introduce specific names. Teach them the capitalization rules. Remind them that everyday things stay in small letters. People are special, so their names always start big, and the very first word of a sentence always stands tall.